Good afternoon, student. Today's topic is reflection at a concave, convex spherical mirror. Refraction, convex spherical surfaces. In this type, in this topic, we calculate the mathematical relationship in between the two medium denser rare and rare effect index and relation between object distance, image distance, and radius of curvature. First topic of this topic is the object lies in rare medium and the image formed at is real. First point of this topic is the object lies in a rare medium and the image is formed is real. Now we draw the ray diagram. This one considered as convex surfaces. This one considered as denser medium and this one is rare medium. Rare, denser, refractive mu1 and refractive index mu2. Now object is placed O point. That's one array is going for a spherical mirror, spherical surfaces, incident at point, and this angle is created by object distance. Object is known as alpha. This one is P. After passes from this point, it refracted towards the normal. Draw the normal of this ray. Incident point, center of curvature. This angle is created by gamma, and when the ray bends towards the normal, it incident point I. This form the image. The angle between is beta. This one is called angle of refraction. This one is called angle of incidence. And draw up perpendicular. This one considered as M. Not taking in this topic we using a Snell's law. That's why we calculate the angle I and R. Now taking in angle, right, NOC, triangle NO and C में I equals to alpha plus gamma. एक्सटीरियर थ्योरम लिख दीजिए. एक्सटीरियर एंगल से and again in triangle NIC में gamma equals to R plus beta. The same way, we find the value of r plus beta. We find the value of I and r. That's why value of r equals to gamma minus beta. Now we find out the value of alpha, beta and gamma in right angle triangle respective. Alpha equals to tan alpha, in which triangle are taking in triangle O M N or tan alpha equals to perpendicular N M upon OM. This can be written as Nm upon OP because OP is close to M. P is close to M. Again, value of beta equals to tan beta in right angle triangle. P, M and I में. Then tan is perpendicular NP divided by PI. Again, value of gamma, tan gamma equals to in right angle triangle N M and C में, and M divided by P O M and C, and M divided by MC, or this can be written as N M divided by P and C. Now using Snell's law, by Snell's law, that can be written as sin I divided by sin R mu 2 divided by mu 1, or mu 1 sin I equals to mu 2 sin R. As implied as I and R is R small, then sin I equals to I and sin R equals to R. Then above equation becomes mu 1 I equals to mu 2 R. Substitute the value of I and R. Mu 1 alpha plus gamma equals to mu 2 gamma minus beta. Gamma plus beta. Put the value alpha, beta, gamma in this equation for the above value. Then mu 1 as it is, value of gamma alpha and M divided by OP plus value of gamma and M divided by PC, mu 2 value of gamma and M divided by PC minus के value of beta and M divided by PI. Mu 1, or this can be written as mu 1 equals to 1 divided by OP plus 1 divided by PC equals to mu 2 as it is 1 divided by PC minus के 1 divided by PA. Substitute the value of OP, PC and PI. From the figure, OP equals to object distance, PC equals to radius of curvature r, PC equals to radius of curvature r, pi equals to image distance. Then OP equals to minus KU, PC equals to R positive, PI equals to V. Put the value of above. Put the value of mu1 divided by OP minus K mu plus 1 upon R, mu2 as it is 1 divided by R minus K 1 upon V. Transfer all the terms or containing R. So mu1 divided by mu plus mu2 divided by V. Mu1 divided by U, mu2 divided by V. Transfer 1 divided by R common, mu2 divided by mu1. And mu2 divided by V minus K mu divided by U equals to mu2 minus K mu1 divided by R. This is a expression for which we required for this topic. Again, second point of this topic is the object lies in the rear medium. And the image formed is virtual. And image form is virtual. Now again draw a ray diagram. This one is rear mu1 and this one is denser mu2. Now the object is placed at this point. A rays going for, after reflection from this point, consider after reflection from this point, a ray is going from rear to denser. It bends because this rays form a virtual image, then it bends away from the normal. Draw the normal. It intersects at point C. This one is called as angle of incidence or refract. This one called is object. Where is object? Form. This one is virtual image I. Angle this form is beta. And this one angle when object is placed alpha and normal gamma. Draw again a normal. This one is PM or P. This one is called as object distance U represented by, this one image represented by V, and this one is R radius. Since M is close, since M is very close to P, that's why M equals to P. Now again we find out the value of I and R, because we use the formula of Snell's law. In triangle NOC में, triangle NOC में एक्सटीरियर थ्योरम लगा दीजिए, आई इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस गामा एंड ट्राइंगल NCI में अगेन लगाएंगे एक्सटीरियर थ्योरम, तो आर इक्वल टू NIC में आर इक्वल टू बीटा प्लस गामा, सिंस लिख देंगे, सिंस अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा आर स्मॉल, small, that's why alpha can represent in terms of tan alpha, beta can represent in terms of beta, and gamma equals to tan gamma. Now the value of alpha, beta and gamma in respective triangle. For alpha in triangle OMN में tan alpha equals to alpha equals to tan alpha MN divided by OM, that means M and NM divided by OP, since P is close to M. For beta in respect to triangle NIM में बीटा इक्वल्स टू tan बीटा, that means MN divided by PMI. It can be written as NM divided by MPI. For gamma triangle MNC में gamma equals to tan gamma, that can be written as NM divided by MNC. It can be written as NM divided by PC. Now Snell's law. Sin I divided by sin R equals to mu1 divided by mu2. Sin I, mu1 sin I equals to mu1 sin I equals to mu2 sin R. Since I and R are small, that's why sin I equals to written as I and sin R written as R. तो mu1 I equivalent है mu2 R. Substitute the value of I and R. mu1 alpha plus gamma, mu2 beta plus gamma. Put the value of mu1 and mu2. अल्फा की वैल्यू, अल्फा है NM divided by OP. वैल्यू ऑफ गामा NMN divided by PC. mu2 NM बीटा की वैल्यू MN divided by PI. वैल्यू ऑफ गामा MN divided by PC. Put the value of, or can be written as mu1 1 divided by OP plus 1 divided by PC, mu2 1 divided by PI plus 1 divided by PC. So mu1 as it is. Now OP equals to minus KU, PC equals to R, PI equals to minus KV. Now put the value of OP, PC and PI in above equation. Then above equation becomes minus KU plus 1 divided by R, mu2 as it is 1 upon minus KV plus 1 upon R. ट्रांसफ़र कर दीजिए R एक साइड एंड यू एन वी एक तरफ कर दीजिए तो म्यू वन माइनस के म्यू वन डिवाइड बाई यू प्लस के यू वन डिवाइड बाई आर, दिस वन माइनस के म्यू टू डिवाइड बाई वी एंड प्लस के म्यू टू डिवाइड बाई आर। ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे तो म्यू वी दिस साइड और आर अपोजिट साइड, तो माइनस के म्यू वन डिवाइड बाई यू प्लस के म्यू टू डिवाइड बाई वी इक्वलेंट म्यू टू डिवाइड बाई आर माइनस के म्यू वन डिवाइड बाई आर, और इट कैन बी रिटन एज म्यू टू डिवाइड बाई वी माइनस के म्यू वन डिवाइड बाई यू एंड वन अपॉन आर कॉमन म्यू टू minus k mu 1. This is the above expression for when a image forms is virtual. And the image is virtual. This can be written as now topic is complete.